What if I told you that with the right foods, the right exercises, and a few simple habits, you could not only stop this decline, but actually reverse it? What if you could feel strong, steady, and capable again, no matter your age? I'm Dr. Narita, and I've spent the past 12 years working with men who thought their best days were behind them, men who believed weakness was inevitable, men who had resigned themselves to a slow fade into dependency. And I'm here to tell you something important. That doesn't have to be you. Stay with me because what you're about to learn could genuinely change how you age. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods strengthen your legs, which exercises rebuild your balance, and how to protect the foundation your entire life is built on. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Hit that like button right now and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from and what health topic you'd most like to see covered next. I read every comment, and your input shapes what we talk about here. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. This information could transform your quality of life. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with the big question. Why do our legs get weaker as we age? It's not just about getting older. It's about what's happening inside your body. Changes that start much earlier than most people realize. After the age of 30, we start losing muscle mass at a rate of about 3 to 5% per decade. This process is called sarcopenia, and it speeds up dramatically after 60. But it's not just muscle loss. Your bones become less dense, your joints lose their cushioning, and your nerves don't communicate with your muscles as efficiently as they used to. The result? Weakness, instability, and a significantly higher risk of falls, which, by the way, are the leading cause of injury-related deaths in older adults. But here's the good news, and I need you to really hear this. You can fight back, you can rebuild, you can restore what's been lost. And it starts with understanding 3 key areas we're going to cover today: nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle habits. Think of your legs as the foundation of a house. If the foundation is weak, the entire structure is at risk. Your legs are the foundation of your body. They carry you through life, literally. But their importance goes far beyond just walking or standing. Strong legs are directly linked to a longer, healthier life. Here's why. First, your legs house some of the largest muscles in your body, your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. These muscles aren't just for show, they're powerhouses that support your entire body. When these muscles are strong, they take pressure off your joints, reduce your risk of injury, and help you maintain proper posture. But when they weaken, everything else starts to suffer. Your knees and hips take on more stress, leading to pain and arthritis. Your lower back compensates, often resulting in chronic discomfort, and your overall mobility declines, making it harder to stay active and independent. But it's not just about physical health. Strong legs are also key players in your cardiovascular health. Your leg muscles act as a second heart, pumping blood back up to your torso with every step you take. This is especially important as you age, because poor circulation can lead to a host of problems, from swollen ankles to blood clots. By keeping your leg muscles strong, you're essentially giving your heart a helping hand, improving blood flow, and reducing your risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about balance. Strong legs are your body's first line of defense against falls. Every year, millions of people over 65 suffer falls, and many never fully recover. But here's the thing, falls aren't just accidents. They're often the result of weak legs and poor balance. By strengthening your legs, you're not just improving your stability, you're protecting yourself from one of the biggest threats to your independence. But perhaps the most surprising benefit of strong legs is their impact on your brain. Studies have shown that leg strength is closely linked to cognitive health. One study published in the journal Gerontology found that older adults with stronger legs performed better on memory and problem-solving tests. Why? Because the muscles in your legs send signals to your brain that stimulate the production of new neurons. In other words, strong legs can literally help keep your brain young. And then there's the longevity factor. Research has consistently shown that people with stronger legs live longer, healthier lives. A study from King's College London found that leg power was a better predictor of aging than any other biomarker, including blood pressure or cholesterol levels. The reason? Strong legs are a sign of an active, engaged lifestyle, one that keeps your body and mind in peak condition. So when we talk about keeping your legs strong, we're not just talking about avoiding aches and pains. We're talking about preserving your independence, protecting your heart, sharpening your mind, and adding years to your life. Your legs are the engine that drives your body. And by taking care of them, you're taking care of your future self. Now let's talk about nutrition, because what you eat plays a massive role in maintaining muscle strength and mobility. First up, protein. Your muscles are made of protein, and as you age, your body becomes less efficient at using it to build and repair muscle. That's why older adults actually need more protein than younger people. Aim for about 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Great sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and dairy. But don't stop there. Pair your protein with foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, which can help protect your joints and muscles from damage. Next, let's talk about vitamin D and calcium. These two are like the dynamic duo for bone health. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't absorb calcium properly, which can lead to weaker bones and a higher risk of fractures. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, fatty fish, and fortified foods, but many people, especially those living in northern climates, need a supplement, particularly in the winter months. Calcium-rich foods like dairy, leafy greens, and almonds are also essential for keeping your bones strong. Now, let's not forget about antioxidants. Foods like berries, spinach, and nuts are packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to muscle aging. These compounds help protect your muscle cells from damage and support recovery after physical activity. And finally, don't underestimate the power of hydration. Your muscles are about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can lead to weakness and fatigue. Aim for at least 8 cups of water a day, more if you're active. But let's dive deeper into specific foods that can help maintain leg strength and muscle mass. Here are 7 nutrient-rich options you should consider adding to your diet. Food number 1, eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. They're also rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis. Plus, eggs are versatile and easy to incorporate into any meal, scrambled for breakfast, hard-boiled as a snack, or added to salads for lunch. Food number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only high in protein, but also contains probiotics that support gut health. A healthy gut can improve nutrient absorption, ensuring your muscles get the fuel they need. Option for plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. You can add fresh berries or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Food number 3, salmon. Salmon is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. The vitamin D in salmon also aids in calcium absorption, promoting strong bones. Try to include fatty fish like salmon in your diet at least twice a week for maximum benefit. Food number 4, quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein and a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy for your workouts. It's also rich in magnesium, a mineral that supports muscle function and recovery. Quinoa works great as a side dish in salads or even as a breakfast porridge. Food number 5, lentils. Lentils are a fantastic plant-based protein source. They're also high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full longer. This can be particularly beneficial if you're trying to maintain a healthy weight while preserving muscle mass. Add lentils to soups, stews, or salads for a nutritious boost. Food number 6, almonds. Almonds are a great snack for muscle health. They're rich in protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps reduce muscle damage caused by oxidative stress. A handful of almonds can be a perfect post-workout snack or a midday energy boost. Food number 7, pumpkin seeds. These seeds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, healthy fats, and magnesium. Magnesium is crucial for muscle contraction and relaxation, making pumpkin seeds a great addition to your diet. Sprinkle them on salads, add them to smoothies, or just snack on them roasted. By incorporating these foods into your diet, You're not just feeding your muscles, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong, mobile, and resilient as you age. Remember, it's not about eating one miracle food. It's about creating a balanced, nutrient-rich diet that supports your overall health and muscle maintenance. But nutrition is only half the battle. To keep your legs strong and your balance sharp, you need to move, and not just any movement. You need specific exercises that target strength, stability, and coordination. Let's start with strength training. Lifting weights or using resistance bands can help rebuild muscle mass and improve bone density. Focus on exercises that work your legs, like squats, lunges, and leg presses. Start light and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. Even body weight exercises make a significant difference if you're just starting out. Now let's talk about balance. One of the best ways to improve balance is through exercises that challenge your stability. Try standing on one leg for 30 seconds, then switch. If that's too easy, close your eyes or stand on a soft surface like a pillow. Yoga and Tai Chi are also fantastic for improving balance and coordination. They combine strength, flexibility, and mindfulness in ways that are gentle on the joints but highly effective. And here's a fun one: rebounding. That's right, jumping on a mini trampoline. Rebounding is low impact but highly effective at improving balance, strengthening leg muscles, and even boosting lymphatic drainage. Plus, it's a lot more fun than traditional exercises. Finally, let's talk about walking. It's simple, it's free, and it's one of the best things you can do for your legs and overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding intervals, alternate between walking and jogging to get your heart rate up and build endurance. Now, let's dive deeper into something often overlooked: calf exercises. Did you know your calf muscle is sometimes called your second heart? Here's why. Your arterial system brings blood away from the heart, and your venous system brings it back. Your calf muscles play a crucial role in pumping blood back up to your heart with every step you take. When these muscles are strong, they help prevent issues like varicose veins and poor circulation. When they're weak, blood pools in your lower legs, leading to swelling, discomfort, and even more serious circulatory problems. So how do you strengthen your calves? Here are a few simple yet effective exercises. Calf raises. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then slowly rise onto your toes, lifting your heels off the ground. Hold for a second, then lower back down. For an extra challenge, try doing this on one leg or while holding weights. Jump rope. Jumping rope is a fantastic way to strengthen your calves while also getting a cardio workout. It improves coordination, agility, and endurance, all while giving your calves a serious workout. Stair climbing. Whether you're using a stair climber machine or just climbing actual stairs, this activity targets your calves and glutes while also boosting your cardiovascular fitness. Seated calf raises. If you have access to a gym, seated calf raise machines are great for isolating the soleus muscle, which lies beneath the larger calf muscle. This muscle is crucial for stability and endurance. Strong calves don't just make your legs look good, they improve your posture, reduce your risk of injury, and make everyday activities like walking and climbing stairs easier. Now let's talk about rebounding, a low-impact, high-reward exercise that's gaining popularity for its incredible benefits. Rebounding involves jumping on a mini trampoline, and while it might look like child's play, it's a powerhouse workout for your legs and overall health. Here's why rebounding is so effective. Strengthens leg muscles. Every time you jump, your leg muscles, especially your calves, quads, and glutes, engage to propel you upward and absorb the impact when you land. This repetitive motion builds strength and endurance without putting excessive strain on your joints. Improves balance and coordination. Rebounding forces you to stabilize your body with each bounce, which improves your balance and coordination over time. This is especially beneficial for older adults who want to reduce their risk of falls. Boosts lymphatic drainage. Unlike the circulatory system, which has the heart to pump blood, the lymphatic system relies on movement to function. Rebounding stimulates the lymphatic system, helping your body detoxify and boosting your immune system. Enhances cardiovascular health. Rebounding gets your heart rate up, making it an excellent cardio workout. It improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and increases oxygen delivery to your cells. Low impact on joints. Unlike running or jumping on hard surfaces, rebounding is gentle on your joints. The trampoline absorbs much of the impact, reducing the risk of injury while still providing an effective workout. Fun and stress relieving. Let's be honest, rebounding is just plain fun. The bouncing motion releases endorphins, which can improve your mood and reduce stress. Plus, it's a great way to add some playfulness to your fitness routine. To get started with rebounding, all you need is a mini trampoline and a few minutes a day. Begin with gentle bounces, then gradually increase the intensity as you build confidence and strength. You can even incorporate simple moves like jumping jacks or twists to keep things interesting. So let's recap everything we've covered, because I want you to leave here with a clear action plan. Aging doesn't have to mean losing your strength, balance, or independence. By focusing on nutrient-rich foods like protein, omega-3s, and antioxidants, you can fuel your muscles and protect your joints. By incorporating strength training, balance exercises, and activities like rebounding, you can rebuild muscle, improve stability, and boost your overall health. And by staying consistent, you can not only slow down the aging process, you can thrive through it. Here's what I want you to do starting today. Step 1. Add at least 3 of the 7 foods we discussed to your weekly grocery list. Start with what feels easiest. Maybe eggs for breakfast, salmon for dinner twice a week, and a handful of almonds as a snack. Step 2. Commit to moving your body every single day. It doesn't have to be intense. A 30-minute walk, 10 minutes of calf raises, or 5 minutes of rebounding, just move consistently. Step 3, challenge your balance. Stand on one leg while brushing your teeth. Try a yoga class. Walk heel to toe in a straight line. Small challenges build big improvements. Step 4, hydrate. Drink water throughout the day. Your muscles need it. Your joints need it. Your brain needs it. Step 5, be patient with yourself. Recovery and rebuilding take time. Celebrate small victories. The extra step you took, the stair you climbed without holding the rail, the morning you woke up without stiffness. Listen, I know aging can feel like a slow betrayal. One day you're running marathons and the next you're struggling to get off the couch. But losing strength, balance, and mobility doesn't have to be inevitable. You have the power to change your trajectory. You have the ability to rebuild what's been lost. And you absolutely deserve to live your later years with strength, dignity, and independence. Your legs are worth taking care of. They've carried you this far. They've taken you through every important moment of your life. And with the right care, they can carry you through many more years of joy, adventure, and freedom. Don't let anyone tell you that decline is inevitable. Don't accept weakness as your fate. You are capable of so much more than you realize. Every meal you eat with intention is a step towards strength. Every exercise you complete is a deposit in your health account. Every day you choose to move is a declaration that you refuse to fade quietly. If this video has given you hope or practical steps you can actually take, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps other men find this information when they need it most. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss content that could change your life.